In this video we will learn what is homogeneous function that will use in homogeneous first order homogeneous differential equation. And before going to start first order homogeneous differential equation, we should know what is homogeneous function. So the definition of homogeneous function is if a function has the property if the function has the property that f of t x t y is equal to t raised to the power n f of x y for some real number n for some real number n, then f is said to be f is said to be a homogeneous function, a homogeneous function of degree n. This is the actual definition of homogeneous function. And what is this definition say? I will explain with some examples. For instance, if you want to check whether some function, for example, we have a function example number 1. If we have a function f of x y, this is a two variable function, f of x y is equal to x square minus 3xy plus 5y square, and we want to confirm whether this function is a homogeneous function or not. So how we will check this? The solution of this particular question is we will replace x by tx and y by ty. Means we will replace x by tx and y by ty in the function. So x will be replaced by tx minus 3, x will be replaced by tx and y will be replaced by ty, and this is also ty, and we want to check what is happening around. So t square x square minus 3 t square xy plus 5 t square y. If you take t square common, x square minus 3xy plus 5y square, and actually this is equal to the original function f of xy. So we can replace f of xy over here, and this is the actual definition of a homogeneous function. If you replace tx ty in the function and you get t sum with some power, n is any real number, t with some power is out of the bracket and the function will remain same, then this function will be a homogeneous function. And what will be the degree of this function? Obviously the power of t will declare the degree of this particular function, so the degree of this particular function will be 2. Now with second example, example number 2. For instance, if we have a function like this, f of xy, which is equal to x square plus y square raised to the power 1 by 3. If we replace x by tx, y by ty, what will happen? X by tx, y by ty, and raised to the power 1 by 3. And after simplification we have t square x square plus t square y square power 1 by 3. If you take t square common, so it will become t2 by 3, because the overall power is 1 by 3 also included with this one. And so what we have left x square plus y square with overall power 1 by 3, and again we can write t raised to the power 2 by 3, and this is, we can write just like that. To actually the original function comes back. This is the original function. When the original function comes back after taking t common, then the given function will be homogeneous function, and the power of t will be the degree of that particular function. So the degree of this particular function will be 2 by 3. So this is actually the definition of homogeneous function. I have explained this definition with 2 examples. By using the same concept, we will solve the homogeneous differential equation, first order homogeneous differential equation. Before going to solve first order homogeneous differential equation, you need to check whether the given function which is present in the differential equation is homogeneous or not. If homogeneous, then you will solve the homogeneous differential equation by certain method, and I will explain this certain method in the next video.